Welcome to Hawkins Manor in Mobile, Alabama. This is a brand new D.R. Horton community. It's off of Cody Rd, so it's close into town, just around the corner from Somerby Senior Living. This floor plan is a 3-bedroom with 2 full baths. It's over 1,800 square feet, and it comes standard with the smart home package, granite countertops in the kitchen, as well as the baths. These homes feature the Z-Wave programmable thermostat and the smart home control device. This is a gold fortified home, so that drastically reduces the cost of your insurance premium. And these homes have a 2-year builder's warranty and a 10-year structural warranty. They also have the best interest rates in town. So call today to find out what the current interest rates are. Do you want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600. Do you need to sell before you can buy? No worries, I've got you covered. I list and sell real estate in Mobile and Baldwin County. Call today so I can show you how I leverage virtual tours, social media, and my YouTube channel to get you the most money for your home. Call for a private showing, 251-234-9919. And don't forget, anytime you visit a new construction home, please let them know that Frankie Wink sent you. It doesn't cost you a thing, but it helps me tremendously. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time.